Hello and welcome back to our Intro to ChatGPT course here on Code Academy. We're in the ChatGPT in Business section. This is the introduction. There are many parts of operating a business that are time-consuming and repetitive. Answering routine questions, reaching out to potential customers, analyzing and reacting to feedback, each takes time and a lot of people. But what if it didn't have to? Tools like ChatGPT will potentially automate many of these tasks, allowing businesses to focus on creating their core product. In this lesson, we'll cover different ways ChatGPT can be utilized for a business: customer service, content generation, data analysis, sales, programming. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and click next. Customer service. As businesses grow, they field more and more routine customer questions, which can distract from the more complex work that a customer success team might have to do. Companies are already installing basic chatbots and phone routing systems that attempt to handle these sort of issues. ChatGPT has the potential to be a much more robust solution. Once ChatGPT has your company's frequently asked questions and product information, it can serve as a powerful customer assistant. When integrated into a company's website, social media pages, or mobile apps, ChatGPT could potentially provide 24/7 real-time customer support. While ChatGPT should still be supervised for some tasks, it can be a powerful tool. This kind of service would be implemented by integrating the ChatGPT API into customer support channels such as the website or chat rooms. Rather than connecting to a person, incoming customer requests would be routed to the API. ChatGPT could handle common customer service queries such as providing information about a company's products or services, such as pricing, availability and specifications, product delivery status, estimated delivery date and shipping information, instructions on how to resolve problems, account balances, payment options and account settings, and the company's policies on returns and exchanges. Using ChatGPT for these types of services can reduce issue resolution time and cost, as well as improve customer experience. We can expect to see ChatGPT accelerating adoption of AI-powered tools for customer support in the coming years. Let's hit next. Content generation. Having an online business often means having to make marketing or supporting content. Content like blog and social media posts, email campaigns, and advertising copy. Creating engaging and relevant content can be time-consuming and expensive. ChatGPT can help. Imagine a writer working on creating content for a new product launch. They need to write an announcement, make a social media campaign, and create some tutorials. With ChatGPT, they can put in information about the product, the kind of content they need, and press enter. ChatGPT will produce rough drafts of almost everything they need in seconds. Sure, it won't be perfect, and some of it will need heavy revising, but it provides a baseline as well as plenty of ideas. Need more ideas? New content can be generated in a moment. Writers using ChatGPT essentially get one of the world's most powerful writing assistants. Businesses who don't have the luxury of a large writing staff have the potential to multiply the amount of content that can be produced. Try prompts like the following. The HyperLux 3000 is a lighting system that adapts to its surroundings, sounds, and voice commands. Generate 3 short social media posts and an email announcing its launch. ChatGPT is a powerful step towards automatically authoring large quantities of online content. It's not perfect, but it can certainly help speed things up. Our instructions say click on sample prompts to see what a conversation with ChatGPT could look like. Make sure to click send, we know. So the HyperLux 3000 is a lighting system that adapts to its surroundings, sounds, and voice commands. Generate a short social media post announcing its launch. Let's click enter, and ChatGPT will give us this here. Experience the magic of the HyperLux 3000. Our cutting-edge lighting systems adjust to your environment, creating the perfect ambience for every occasion. Discover the power of voice-activated lighting today. Hashtag HyperLux 3000, voice control, and lightning revolution. We have this other prompt here, generate an email announcing its launch, and we get this following email back that we can, again, read, revise, and then send out. But it's created for us much more quickly, and it might even sound more professional. It might need a little revision, but it was able to at least draft this out for us. Let's hit next. Data analysis. Through features such as comments and reviews, businesses are often receiving a lot of feedback about their products, experiences, and processes. The problem is that large businesses receive so much information that it can be difficult to identify important takeaways. Businesses can use ChatGPT's natural language processing to analyze customer responses and extract insights. By identifying patterns and trends, businesses can make better decisions to enhance customer experience. Here's how ChatGPT can analyze customer queries and provide insights into customer behavior. Sentiment analysis, identifying patterns and themes in feedback. Topic analysis, categorizing customer queries into topics and identifying trends in customer behavior. Predictive analytics, predicting customer behavior based on historical data such as purchase history and browsing behavior. This kind of functionality could be implemented using either the ChatGPT site or ChatGPT's API. A software system might automatically gather customer data and feed it into the API for insights. A less complex system might be to input text into the ChatGPT website and have it summarized there. Consider prompts like, what are some main takeaways from the following reviews? And then we would insert all those reviews. By using ChatGPT for data analysis, businesses can quickly make better decisions based on customer insights. This work can be performed at scale, at high speed, and at lower cost than a team of analysts. Remember to be careful when feeding ChatGPT sensitive data. Data security is still an important consideration. So click on one of these prompts. Let's check it out. We got this. What are some main takeaways from the following reviews? And we give it 3 different reviews. Let's click on send and see what we get. And it is able to give us takeaways from the following reviews. What's the most important takeaway from those reviews? Let's ask. The most important takeaway from those reviews is that Code Academy is a highly effective and user-friendly platform for learning coding. So it's able to summarize fairly quickly the 3 reviews. Let's hit next. Sales. A big part of sales and marketing involves reaching out to prospective customers and finding out if the product meets their needs. ChatGPT has the potential to help, assisting with tasks like reaching out to customers, retrieving their initial preferences, and even providing customized recommendations based on those preferences. This kind of system would be implemented with a combination of ChatGPT's API, as well as an additional system that can identify leads and send out emails containing ChatGPT content. Replies could be processed by ChatGPT as well, leading to layers of interaction. Try out a prompt like the following. Write an email to a prospective customer for the Hyperlux 3000. ChatGPT has the benefits of being able to handle many simultaneous interactions, 24/7 availability, and decreased cost compared to human calls. These benefits have the potential to help businesses quickly scale their sales efforts without a large team. Our instructions say, click on the sample prompt, write an email to a prospective customer for the Hyperlux 3000. We ask it, and there it is. It gives us an email. Then write an email to a potential business collaborator for the Hyperlux 3000. So this was for a prospective customer, and this is going to be for a potential collaborator. Click next. And we do see it's able to give us an email just as quickly for a potential business collaborator. Let's go ahead and click next. Programming. ChatGPT can also be utilized in programming tasks such as writing code snippets, explaining code, and debugging. While ChatGPT isn't an expert software engineer, it can handle basic coding tasks. This allows it to be useful in quickly generating simple code. Consider a prompt like the following. Write a code snippet in JavaScript that validates a form input for a valid email address. ChatGPT can also often explain what code is doing. Throwing existing code into ChatGPT can help clarify uncertainties or even generate documentation. Try a prompt like explain, and then you enter your code snippet. ChatGPT also works as a debugger, providing exceptions, error messages, or faulty code can result in ChatGPT explaining a problem or providing a solution. Use a prompt such as this function, and then throw in your function code, is generating this error. Explain why and fix the problem. It's important to keep in mind that ChatGPT isn't always correct, but it can be a useful tool to point us in the right direction. It's always important to validate ChatGPT's outputs before integrating them into a product. Instructions, click sample prompt. Write a code snippet in JavaScript to validate form input for a valid email address. Let's ask that. Here's a snippet. It does give us a snippet in JavaScript. Here's our function, validate email. And we see the code there. We could say explain. Let's see if we ask it to explain this function. It tells us it's a C+ function, and it tells us what it does. We can say explain this error message, feed it in, and we do get a response. Let's go ahead and click next. Our review. In this lesson, we discussed ways in which ChatGPT could be integrated into business operations. Specifically, we addressed 4 primary fields where ChatGPT can help. Customer service. We learned it can answer common customer service questions. It can help in content generation, create content such as blog and social media posts. Data analysis. ChatGPT can analyze the sentiment and summarize incoming customer data. Sales, ChatGPT can reach out and generate leads in a sales funnel. Programming, ChatGPT can write useful code snippets and provide code explanations. While these are powerful uses, they are not the only ways ChatGPT can be used. ChatGPT is still new, and people and businesses are still discovering new ways to integrate this technology into their work. Over the next several years, the uses for ChatGPT will continue to be developed. Again, key takeaways for this section in how ChatGPT helps businesses is it can answer common questions. We could feed it our FAQs for our business, and through something like a chatbot, it will be able to answer common customer service questions. It can help generate content quickly. Just tell it about your product and ask it to create blogs or social media posts, and it does it quickly. Could analyze data. We could feed it comments, reviews, and find out how people are feeling about our product. And sales, we could throw it into sales funnels, and it could help generate leads, and it can program for us. It can teach us how to code or explain code to us, explain errors that we get. And again, these are just a few of those possibilities. As it says down here, over the next few years, we're really going to see more use cases for ChatGPT. And with that, I'll see you in the next lesson.